Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
The 60s weren't good to you, were they?
Maker, let's go! You're on!
Lonnie, I'm sorry about earlier. Yeah.
Don't be mad.
It's okay, James. We're gonna couple up behind you to slow you down. Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. Now, hey! Vito!
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning.
Let me know if anything comes up and you need my help.
I will. Take care, Polly.
Will do.
Your burner's blazing.
Ah, awesome.
Well, there you go, Dusty.
Thanks, Chuck.
No problem.
Patrick, I touched a nerve.
Con el corredor se ha creado todo un revuelo. Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo contra el viejo cuchillo.
on your team brings excellence and professionalism to this competition.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
You're gonna fit right in California.
He's right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is ready. Oh, Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a road like this in...
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're fake.
Race. Lightning McQueen must be.
Oh, Stanley, I wish you could see this. Strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win a friend.
Come on! That's the Guido. Come on, I gotta get back out there before he does. Guido, hurry up! What the fuck?